To speak the new beginnings is to speak of the promise of better days, of something to look forward to. Commencement exercises are opportunities for new beginnings. But before we can move towards new beginnings, it is best to look back with gratitude to the journey we've had as one Bicol University family. Your presence today and those of your loved ones speak of an enduring commitment to persevere despite all the odds. Sabi nga, ang pinakamahalaga sa pamilyang Pilipino ay edukasyon. Have been through the worst of times, yet you are here, finishing your degree, finally graduating in the normal face-to-face setup from a resilient Bicol University with a legacy of quality education.
Knocking me down, but my heart keeps beating, like going out, but I won't stop dreaming. I know a brighter day will come.
I challenge each of you to equip yourselves to the point that you can create opportunities and provide this to others.
I believe, yes I believe it. I can see, yes I can see it. Though I'm not there yet, I lift up my head.
To whom much is given, much is expected. And you have been given much. Bicol University education is a great blessing. It opens a lot of opportunities.
Every bruise, every scar makes us who we are. Who we are. Who we are. Every bruise, every scar makes us who we are.
Ano kaya kung ang bawat isa sa inyo ay totoong isa sa buhay ang kahulugan ng karangalan at karagdagang kaalaman na kasabay ng inyong mga titulo at sinapusan?
I believe it, yes I believe it. Though I'm not there yet, I lift up my head. I believe it, yes I believe it. Every bruise and every scar.
Resiliency is not something you develop in just one incident. It is a product of many persevering nights and days, and even months and years of telling yourself again and again.
Every bruise, every scar, I'm gonna wear them on my heart. Who we are, who we are. Every bruise, every scar makes us who we are. Who we are, who we are. Every bruise and every scar makes us who we are.